Santa Ran a Backhoe by Larry C. Simpson. Santa ran a backhoe and sometimes chewed tobacco until he got too sick and lost his job. The whiskey took away the pain, but sometimes made him go insane, and the neighbors sometimes had to call a cop. Santa had a pickup truck. He remembers how he once got stuck while hunting deer up on the Rocky Creek. When his father tracked him down and saw the bottles on the ground, he got so mad he couldn't even speak. Now his own son's in rehab and his daughter's in Iraq, but they both tried to be just like their pa. He has 3 grandchildren, but he never gets to see them since his ex-wife took them back to Arkansas. Santa lost some friends he'd known in the bloody combat zone and left some of his soul in Vietnam. Santa had his house foreclosed and walks through town just like a ghost, wondering why the banks don't give a damn. He's king of the shopping mall with elves and snow and lights and all, a white beard and a bright red uniform. But once he dug the footers for the banks and stores and hooters, and before that it was all just fields of corn. He wonders what it was worth, all the hardship, time, and hurt. Then a little girl climbs up into his lap. First he says his ho-ho-hos, then asks what she wants the most. And all she says is, "Bring me back my dad." He's gone to this funny land that no one seems to understand, where people hurt each other just for spite. Santa said, "I'll do my best. Little girl, you must be blessed. You're the angel that saved my life tonight."